Good morning and a very warm welcome to all the present here. Respected Register Sir, professors and esteemed officers and my colleagues, staff members. Today we have gathered here to celebrate the birth anniversary of the one of the greatest sons of India, Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, the father of the Indian Constitution and a true champion of social justice. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar born on 14th April 1891. Dr. Ambedkar's vision, intellect, and unwavering commitment to equality laid the foundation for a more just and inclusive India. His legacy continues to inspire generations. Let us take a moment to reflect on the ideals of liberty, equality, and fraternity that Ambedkar held close to his heart and which continue to guide our democratic ethics today. Dr. Ambedkar once said, cultivation of mind should be the ultimate aim of human existence. To enlighten us more about his extraordinary life. Now I request our respected Register Sir to share thoughts on this occasion.
Good morning to all of you. Sabhi ko namaskar. First of all, I would like to welcome senior faculty members, officers, staff of NIDPR who have gathered here to celebrate 135th birth anniversary of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, popularly known as Baba Saheb also. Baba Saheb was born on 14th of April 1891 in a small cantonment town on Maho, which is presently in Madhya Pradesh. उनका शुरू का जीवन जो है बहुत ही मुश्किलों से गुजरा. वो 14th अपने बच्चे थे अपने पिताजी के. And despite from such a humble background, he rose to become the first law minister of independent India. That itself shows his tenacity, his patience, perseverance and hard work which he has put in. He has a lot of distinctions adding to his degrees. वो पहले साउथ एशियन थे जिन्होंने की डबल पीएचडी की थी फ्रॉम यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ कोलंबिया एंड फ्रॉम लंदन स्कूल ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स. ही वाज सोशल चैम्पियन. उन्होंने डाउन टाउन के लिए बहुत काम किया. उनके जीवन से हमें सीखने की ज़रूरत है और हम सभी को उनके जीवन से प्रेरणा लेते हुए अपने जीवन में लाने की ज़रूरत है. इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं सभी का एक बार फिर धन्यवाद करता हूँ कि उस फंक्शन में आए और इसको सफल बनाया. थैंक यू.
Thank you, sir. I request Jyotish sir to. Okay.
Good morning and welcome all of you. In fact, I would like to already said that he was a champion of social justice in India, the architect of Indian Constitution. But in this moment, I would like to remember only thing. He believed in a principle of equality. Basically, it was a feel among all of us, the other person is equal to me, a kind of other regarding. So that is somewhat missing in this world. A concern to other person, a compassion, and also an equal, every moment of life, it's feeling an equality. That is what he popularized. It's not only a kind of government instrument that will equate all of us. So we need to be in that, we need to behave in that way that we can ensure equality among all of us. This is the only message I want to tell you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Let's carry forward these ideals not just today but every day by respecting one another, breaking barriers and being the change. Thank you and Jai Bhim, Jai Hind.
राष्ट्र संविधान का है तू ही शिल्पकार, तू ही शिल्पकार, तू ही शिल्पकार। तूने ही सिखाया है समानता का सार, समानता का सार, समानता का सार। राष्ट्र संविधान का है तू ही शिल्पकार, तूने ही सिखाया है समानता का सार।